Hello everybody, this is the help video for the Edpuzzles. Again, you can find the Edpuzzles, which is the second part of the HyperDoc, on the HyperDoc itself. So, like right here. It says the video lesson. Okay, click on each of the pictures to access the Edpuzzles. Remember, you may need to restart your computer or your Chromebook if it does not play the video correctly. Okay. So all you have to do is simply click on the picture here, click on here, and it will immediately start your lesson on uh, Edpuzzle. You go through, you will answer each of the questions when prompt. There are many notes that I have put on here, voice notes, that you need to listen to because it will help you make connections. Again, if you need to restart your Chromebook because it did not connect properly, um, that you may need to do that. That is a Chromebook issue, but or you can go and jump on a regular PC and you should not have any issues at all. I hope you guys are staying safe. Remember to wash your hands often, don't touch your face, and stay home. Have a good day.